Yep.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna be munching on my dinner because I have to make the donuts tonight while we trade. So I'll be a little quiet. Work, man. You already told me I couldn't say I got to go pick the cotton. All right. How about I'm going to go build a house. Okay.
Hey.
I'll go with blueberries then. I like those better. Yes, you can pick blueberries. That is a thing. They grow on vines or trees or whatever they grow on.
Wait, like, you guys are talking about donuts now? I'm like, wait, there are blueberry donuts? Maybe like blueberry jam filled?
That doesn't sound bad at all.
Yeah, I'm in a current buy right now. On GU. I was thinking about internet buy for EU too, but I don't know, like GU gave me a better look than EU did. EU moved so turbo yesterday night. Like it literally, like we test like my entry level. I'm like, what the heck? Like, why did it go so far down? Yeah. So the way I saw it, I saw like a nice shape. So I saw like a triangle. What you call it? I saw a descending triangle. And then once it broke the line, that's when I entered. So pretty much the beginning of the blue candle right now. I'm trying to run the penalty tool so that way I can kind of show you. So like this is triangle right here. Hold. On I know it's like a better triangle, but this is kind of like it right here. It seems to be respecting this line, so I don't think it'll be going down. So once it broke this, I kind of assume that it'll go back up and we test a higher level up there. So yeah, but AG and AU move super nice. They're New York. Yeah. Oh, today you did. Alright, GG was just like ugly as heck. Yeah, it's like super tight and bunched up. Yeah, I was thinking at AU and AJ. I'm like, wow, it moved like 800 pips.
Sorry about that. I heard you from the kitchen. Nope, haven't finished it yet. But man, dude, you're lit. You're on fire. It is. It is. No, I'm very curious to see how that one is. Listen, what I've learned is when you do things according to how you expect them to be done and you have fun with it, everybody else is going to have fun with it and everybody else is going to learn. It's just like when you go to buy a gift for somebody. When you try to figure out what they want, you usually end up getting the wrong thing. But if you buy something according to your taste, you never lose, never go wrong.
Amen. Amen.
How's
it going? How's it going?
Shawty, yeah, you know, seriously.
I'll put that for the stream tomorrow.
You know, Sean, I got to give you your props. I saw briefly, you still haven't accepted my Instagram invite anyway. We won't go there.
I have.
No, not on the personal one, on the Sharma FX one, yeah.
The personal one.
Yeah, it's a private one. I got a chance to see a snippet that you posted of what you guys did for Christmas. And I tip my hat off to you. That is probably one of the most humbling things ever.
Thank you.
Somebody being so young to have that mindset like that, that's phenomenal. Girl, you're going places. You're going to be a giddy in this lifetime.
Thank you. Just trying to get back. It's a hard time for everyone right now, especially with COVID. So just trying to make life a little easier for everyone.
It is, you know, and if everybody had that mindset, the war would be less stressful. You know, it will be a lot more positive because you're helping people. You know, you're paying it forward, and but not a lot of people think like that. So that's very humbling to see.
Thank you. Yeah, it was just like the entire thought process for us was there's kids at those shelters. They obviously didn't ask to be in a position like that, and there's also mothers there. And right now with jobs and everything, it's obviously hard. And so they didn't ask to be in that position either. So, you know, what can we do to help them out? So with schools and stuff starting up, we're like, all right, well, first of all, we got to think about the basics, clothing and stuff. And then with school starting up, we're like, well, these kids need to have some sort of like means for their education, books, right? A lot of these children, they probably won't be able to afford to go in and get notebooks and stuff like that. And so we just started coming up with a list. And then as we went along, we found people who wanted to help out. And so we included them as well. So it was a very nice group effort.
Yeah, that was impressive. I mean, I saw the picture where you guys are offloading the cars and it was like, wow. Wow.
Absolutely. How's your guys' holidays? So you guys are just like bouncing around, just trying to make sure that you meet everyone? Yeah. That's good. It's always a fun time with loved ones. How was yours, Bear?
It was good. I mean, it was quiet. You know, my wife and I did some work around the house, worked on my truck, and we attempted to go fishing on Christmas, but 43 degrees and 17-mile-an-hour winds, yeah, that doesn't work very well. So, you know, we got out, walked around for 5 minutes, got back in the truck. Got out for another 5 minutes, walked around, got back in the truck. We're like, okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Watch the sunrise, and then we're gone. But it was good. You know, I was able to relax mentally from the one job, and I still had to work on the other. But it was just good, just being away. You know, being able to shut down. You know, for her and I to be able to spend some time because I work so much between the two jobs that we haven't really had time, you know, together. So I see her as I'm coming in, I'm going out, and that's about it. So it was good just to be able to spend time.
Hey, let me ask you guys a question. Do you guys know anything about, because I know the cutoff for, I was thinking about possibly setting something up like this, because I know the cutoff for it's like April 15th or something like that. a portion, say you earn like 50,000, just hypothetically, say you earn $50,000 in a year, you can deposit a portion of that, like up to like, I think it's up to 6,000 in an IRA, or if it's less, a percentage. And isn't that deposit applicable towards a write-off? And you're also funding your retirement, but at the same time. But are any of you guys doing anything like that?
A lot of my money is going towards other investments. So I'm not doing anything with IRA. It's just other investments at the moment. But yeah, I think the cutoff is 6,000 or 7,000, and then that's after 2019. So I think before that it was even lower. So I think you are still able to write that off, definitely. But what I would recommend is if you go on the IRS website, they have like an entire FAQ page related to that. So they have like everything you can write off or you can't write off in your IRA.
Okay. I was just curious about it because I don't know, is it like is that whole dollar amount applicable as a write-off? Like if you deposit $5,000 as an example, is that whole 5K applicable as a write-off, or is it a percentage of that 5K that's applicable as that write-off?
Let me see here real quick.
So like if you put $5,500 in and your tax rate is like 22%, that's what, like about $1,200 off your tax bill, or is it the whole $5,500 off your tax bill?
I'm actually on Google trying to find that for you right now.
What about Lee? How's it going, Dub Sharif? Miguel, Nabik Legend, House, Alerted Ross, Ariel, Mehmet, Ram, Asif. How's everyone doing? Hopefully get some AJ buys here soon. I got this ring light. I'm not sure where to set it up.
Yeah, I've just been thinking a lot ever since Paul you were mentioning about 3-4 weeks ago about looking at some other type of investment. And you said you didn't want to do stocks because this is your high risk.
Yep.
So I was just trying to think, like, I kind of like.
I mean, I do low risk. I would do low risk, a low and a moderate risk type of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is the high risk category.
Yeah.
So you cannot write off more than 6,000. And then if you're 50 or older, then you could do 7,000. So let me just tell you the website if you want to look it up. It's irs.gov/retirement/irs-deductions-limits. So they have the 2021 and 2020 there, and they also have the IRA contribution limits. If you're doing a Roth IRA, then those contributions are not deductible.
That's because with the Roth, you're not paying taxes when you withdraw after a certain time frame or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What about us? How's it going? I'm good, brother. What up, Tony?
You said retirement plans / retirement plans.
Yeah, /retirement. Let me go ahead and put it in chat for you.
All right, awesome.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get some buys coming. We can return back here. Get some buys from there. Looks like we're leaving that area now, so I was waiting for Tokyo Open, which is right here, but it looks like this would have been a good entry here. Broke that resistance. Got a good upside trending stuff going on, so that would have been good. But I think
I was looking at the higher time frame for AJ here, and it looks like it just broke above, or it's trying to break above a major resistance level at the moment. I think it's the $78 mark that I was trying to break above. It was on the daily and the weekly time frame, and so once that breaks, we have very clean traffic to the upside.
Yep, I saw that. We got clean traffic to. Oh, I guess I deleted it. Where'd it go? Up to here. The 80. 80.50. I don't know I don't know where the line went, but it was there. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to catch, is that move up. It looks like we came back. We retested this area here with this candle and then made support. Moving up, we should make a higher high and get up to here.
Yep.
That would be my idea. So yeah, if we can come back and make some supports.
Even if the current 15-minute candle, let's say it closes bearish and the next one pushes back up, I think that'd be a great entry as well.
Yeah, I want to see some. I want to get an entry right in here. I'm thinking if we get a bullish close here and we come back, we tap into here, put stops under here, and get in.
Yeah. I would, if you're taking your entry in the box, I would personally place my stop loss like just below that, because if it's already retesting and continuing back up, there's no reason for it to come back down. Right? So after the retest, if
So
you
put
take
it like
your
here,
entry,
you would say, for you?
yeah. Like where that bullish candle is.
Here?
To the left. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking I'd put it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just to have it under some sort of support. Because I just don't like to put it where a support should form.
Yeah.
I'm just not comfortable doing that. But I get what you're saying. If we are going up, that is kind of, we shouldn't exceed this bullish one here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You think we can get them to take GJ with it? Because GJ is really killing me right now.
I was trying to trade that this morning and it was just ranging. I was like, all right, man, I'm out. But I
was
was looking for sells below 139.500 this morning.
Same. I was looking at this right here.
Yeah.
This area here. I was trying to grab that move here.
Mm-hmm.
But it just never came.
A very clean 40 pip move down.
Mm-hmm.
And then if it broke that, then there was a nice move that could be turned into a swing trade for about 100 pips.
Yeah, and then we got all this here.
Yep.
Yeah, but yeah, this is what I was trying to catch this morning, and it would just would not go, man.
No, it's just ranging and ranging and ranging. Like, give me a break already.
Yeah. Oh, we don't have any news coming out for either of these currencies.
I totally forgot to check. Yeah, we're good for the night.
Yeah. Yep.
Sweet.
Just even a close like that, bearish, and the next one continuation up. I think that's perfect.
Yep. I'm gonna put my stop right here. As soon as this candle closes, if we're in this area, I'll take a buy. Put my stops under the support and expect us to move up.
And how many pips is that from the box to, let's say, 79,850?
$17.18.
Not bad.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a statement and tell me if you guys concur with this, but if there's anybody out there that's trading pairs with USD in it tonight, they might want to be very careful, because depending on what comes out of Georgia, the markets are going to react to this.
Absolutely.
What's
So
in Georgia?
They're doing the Senate run.
Senate runoff tonight.
So the thing with the Senate run is that if the two votes they come in for a Democratic, and the Democrats will take control of Senate at that point, they also have control of the House, and then of course it's a Democratic president. And so with that, there's market fear that's setting up. The biggest one is because of taxes, because a lot of the bigger investors, they think that they're going to start increasing the taxes, and so that's where the entire biggest wealth transfer comes in, because a lot of institutional investors, they're going to be looking to move their money. But if Republicans take the control of the Senate, then that's where a little bit of more market optimism comes in, because they think that the Senate, at that point, the Republican Senate will not let Biden push through the tax increase or the tax hike very easily. So that's what the markets are pretty much settling in for. And then also tomorrow, there's the joint session with the Congress to ratify Biden's electoral college win. And at that point, there's also news where some GOP senators, they're going to look to challenge the decision at that point. So you have today and you have tomorrow with lots of volatility for the U.S. market.
Yep. So I'd probably just stay out of that market right now, only because you don't know which way it's going to swing.
Absolutely.
I think if this one closes like this, maybe wait for a bullish 15-minute for entry.
Oh, whoops.
What up, Harry? We drawing, bro?
Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that.
Arts and crafts today, apparently.
Right. I was trying to move my screen, and then I guess I was still on the pencil. Pen.
Appreciate it, DJ. Appreciate it. Yes, she does have an IG. Is it Sharma_FX?
No, it's just Sharma FX.
Okay. What up, Sam? How's it going, bro?
If you look at the weekly for AJ, it looks like a huge bullish run. So I would definitely expect some sort of a retracement back to the 77 or 78 mark.
Back to what?
The 77 or the 78 mark, if you go on the weekly time frame, it's been a huge bullish run without like any retracement.
Mm-hmm. So eventually, yeah, back in here.
Yeah.
Looks like we kind of returned to it already, though. We returned here, and we made that support up here, and
yeah, usually still we would need like some bearish close at that point. So that bottom wick, yeah, that did tap into it to kind of reject it, but the market usually needs to kind of do that formal retracement that it does with the bearish candles and then move back up.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Makes sense. I see it.
Oh, you go ahead.
That's it.
What happened?
Oh yeah, for that's what I was kind of hoping for, like AU. I was hoping for some kind of retracement before going back up, because it had like a huge like bullish run this morning.
AU, right?
Yep.
Ginger ale is so good. What up, Sammy? Yeah, this could come down. 100%. It's just so bullish. I'm not real fond of selling it up there.
AU looks like it's trying to clear some, I think it's 0.78 level. It's trying to clear some resistance level here too.
Yep.
And then once that's done, for AJ right now?
Yeah, I think AJ is going to go up tonight. And I think we're going to go up from right here.
We already have that rejection, the 15-minute right there.
Yep, it just popped up.
Yeah, and then it's about to close in a minute. So the next one, if it continues up, I think that's a very viable trade.
All good, DJ. No worry.
Yeah, the euro is moving terribly. Past 2 days.
Yeah,
Today
careful with EU.
I'm trying to stay away from it until like next week.
Yeah, EU is going to be moved a lot by the fundamentals, because even in the EU, from a fundamental perspective, they're struggling with the vaccines and stuff.
Yep. I can kind of tell from the way it's moving. It's moving so bad. There's like a lot of long wicks, and that's not good usually.
What up, Clay? What up, Christian? Happy New Year, Christian.
You know, Euro overall, the currency is like that, because even if you look at EJ, like on a daily time frame, it's just a massive consolidation.
Oh wow.
but that only goes to tell you that once there is like pretty positive news coming out, let's say they approve another vaccine and the rollout is pretty good, I think EJ is getting set up to explode here as well.
Yep, I agree.
Mm-hmm.
So probably gonna wait till that actually happens. Which should be pretty soon, I think.
Yeah, I think this week they were in talks with looking to approve another vaccine, the Eurozone, and then they also increased their dosage for, or their orders for the BioNTech vaccine as well. So they actually started ordering more.
Let's see.
What up, Amon? How's it going, man? I'll grab some more water. I'll be back.
So is everyone trading this week, or are you guys just trying to get back into the schedule?
Full margin, Charma. Full margin.
Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. First week of the new year.
Yeah, same here.
Thing I'd ever seen. When I finally got your name, I couldn't hide my stupid smile. A Friday night after the game, you blew, I stole my heart away. Said we were too young to know.
Well, Asian didn't bring in much.
That we need to see the world's not bigger than my dream. That you'd come and make your home with me. And I'm feeling like every single part of me.
Oh, another thing is if you're trading JPY, you probably want to watch out on Thursday because that's where they're going to be making the decision about the state of emergency in Tokyo. So that's where you're going to find out if there's going to be another lockdown or not, or just some more restrictions.
Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty critical.
Someone's asking, is everyone on the Zoom FTMO? I am not. I've never done any funded trading.
Yep, I'm not either.
This is starting to push up nice on the 15 here.
Shaking hands and stammered words. I tried so hard to play it cool. I took your hand and took a knee, and I said, would you come and make your home with me? Would you come and make your home with me?
Asian tends to be slow, but the thing is, once the global economy starts to pick up, it's going to have lots of volume because that's how it was in 2019 as well. 2020, when everything kind of got shut down and whatnot with the pandemic, that's when the volume started dying down. But it sets up really nice for London session.
Oh, so isn't that always this low?
No, it's not always this low. Asian session used to have some good volume too because
Yes, you did.
that's when the bigger banks used to come in and put in their trades.
She was real thick back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty much what last year, it was just low because of COVID.
I think so.
COVID and the global economy is slowing down too. Like legit, you could
Okay.
just look up the global. I think it's called the global growth rate or something like that. But it's on trading economics. You could find
Okay.
that chart there as well.
Alright, that makes sense. Yeah, because I started last year, so I thought like it was that. I thought that was normal.
No, not at all.
Okay, that's pretty cool then. Yeah, because if this session can move the way it does still in London, that'd be great.
Mm-hmm.
It used to. Kinda. Used to
Cause-
move
cause
better
it-
than New York some days.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so you could find that rate on it's called on World Bank's website. So if you just type in global growth rate, World Bank, you should see it. And there's also like GDP and all that stuff that you can take a look at. So if GDP is dropping globally, then of course the growth is dropping as well.
You say what's the website? Data World Bank.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What up, Claudia? Appreciate it. Glad to be back. If this 15 gets a good bullish close, I'm going to take a buy. Put my stop underneath the candle here, under that support. And expect a wick fill and a push up to the 79,800 area.
Full margin?
Always.
That's the only way to trade.
Oh, the GDP is not declining.
Yeah.
Boo boo, lay down.
So we go up GU.
Catch me if you can, and I'm wondering if I should chase behind or stop wondering and try to take a stand. Oh, and they keep asking where the hell I'm going, who I'll be for the rest of my life. Well, I don't know where time is gonna take me. No, I'm just
So you know how I always say I'm not a reader? I don't like reading.
And now you're reading?
Yeah, that book, I read 65 pages last night.
Damn.
Yeah, I think those
Dang.
are the first pages I've read since like 3rd or 4th grade. Besides like the little bit in college.
Reading is good.
I like it.
Don't tell people that. That's a lie.
Reading is good. You're working
was-
your
it was-
brain muscles.
It was peaceful. I felt like I was getting like a brain pump. When I was done reading, I was all like energized and it was bedtime. I was like, uh-oh. Then I just ended up working all night and because I couldn't sleep. Yeah, I had like a little brain pump.
Wow. Yeah, I can't get that. Mm-mm. I've tried. I read 10 pages today and I was ready to go to sleep. No, I'm good.
That's all you need to read, 10 pages a day.
Yeah, I know, but I'm ready to sleep afterwards. It's just, no. Mm-mm. Give me the audiobook and I'm good.
Wouldn't I say AJ is ranging? No. It might end up ranging, but we close bullish. I am comfortable to take a buy for my one trade. And whatever happens, happens.
There's news that just came out and it says Trump order would ban transactions with Chinese payment apps.
Huh.
Yeah, he just banned 8 of them.
Yeah, there was news about the New York Stock Exchange planning to delist 3 Chinese telecoms, but then they took a whole like U-turn on. They're like, yeah, we're not gonna do that.
You know, I find it strange that how do you pick a battle with a country that technically owns your debt? You know, I mean, you know, we are in debt trillions of dollars, and they own what, 3/4 of it, and we're picking a financial battle with them. Like, really? We're gonna do this, huh? Okay.
So funny.
How do I know if it will fill the work or not? I don't. But my rules fit for buys. So if we get that bullish close I'm looking for, I'll take it. And that's it. If you don't like it, don't take it. Would lower your risk. You know?
Would you trade oil, Paul?
Never looked at it, but maybe.
It looks like it's setting up really nice.
Doesn't it have like weird price action though?
Yeah, it's depending on like news as well. So there was news this morning that came out where Iran seized South Korea's vessels, and so you saw like the entire oil just spiking. And then there's news that came out again where it says oil holds gains after topping $50 on Saudi pledged cut output.
Did you guys hear about water being like a commodity soon?
Water's
Yeah,
gonna be a
wasn't
commodity soon.
Yeah, super weird. I'm like, does that mean like eagle?
Wow.
Yeah, China's bottled water king is now richer than Warren Buffett.
Like, it makes no sense. I'm like, how can water be that? Like, water is like a life.
That's funny.
Activity.
Yeah, but you gotta remember, when you don't live in a country that has it as clean as we do, water's priceless, brother.
True.
You will give
Oh,
an
yeah.
arm and a leg for that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that's so funny to be so crazy though.
A lot of these articles just make me laugh. Because they actually do move the markets.
Yep. Like if you've been following like a Bitcoin, like the Dogecoin, like that's like nothing. But Elon Musk talks about it and boom, it like spikes up.
Yeah. There was another one, I think it's called like Dogecoin or something, but
Yep.
Elon Musk said something about it and it just started spiking, like it just exploded.
Yep, that's what I believe that's what I'm referring to. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Like, is it Doge, Dodge? But
It was the meme coin.
yep. Like I could probably see it like going big if it gets enough hype.
Come on, give us that bullish close. groceries are gonna be here soon. Might have to wait another 15-minute candle. Oh, we got some people here today. That's pretty cool.
What's up, Paul?
What up, beautiful low man?
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Dude, are you gonna? Is that good enough for you to take a buy at this close, or if it was a stronger bullish close right there?
Yeah, if it closed like up here, I was gonna take it, but this, I'm probably gonna let it go. If it comes and breaks the low and then breaks the high, I'll take that kind of entry.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I'm gonna wait for a better bullish close. That's all. Yeah, if we get like a bullish close above this resistance, oof, beautiful, we're going up. Or if it breaks this low and then breaks the high, I think
Yeah.
we're good to go up as well.
Yeah, I like buys, but I don't know. I get kind of. I don't love like that resistance that it had earlier in New York.
Down here.
I can't. I'm just doing audio. I can't see your screen,
Oh,
but it was at like. It was the stuff that happened around like 3 o'clock East.
Oh, so way up top. Gotcha. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm targeting. Is I'm expecting that daily high. For it to,
Oh,
I want
I
to see it push that. Because I think this is gonna go. This is gonna close bullish, and then we're gonna keep going up. That's my my idea. But see how this goes. Hey. Hi. What's up, buddy? Just me and you for now, huh? Get a little time away from your little sister. Looking for a buy, 79,500. Yeah, that could work. I like this area for buys here. But I want to see a better bullish close first. Or maybe if it breaks this high. Let's draw this out and see what it looks like. Mm.
30-minute looks like a nice move up after a bottomward rejection.
Yeah, right in here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll see how this closes and then go from there. you're new, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll go till about 7:30 or 8. Kind of my plan for Asian sessions.
Hey, you mean Central Standard Time, right? Don't forget some of us are Eastern. It's 7:30 right now.
Yes, so what I'm thinking 6 to 7:30. And if it doesn't do anything in that time, well, then call it is my plan.
Well, have you started trading? What time do you start trading Asian? Do you start at like
Open.
So do you start at like 5 or wait? That's 6 o'clock for you, right?
Yep, that's As soon as that 6 o'clock candle,
Okay.
that first
You don't
15 minutes done, then I can take a trade.
you don't like to do just Sydney?
Not really. The spread's usually not great.
All right. I'm usually not on it pre, but
Yeah, the spreads are normally high until about 5:30, 5:15.
Yeah.
Yeah. Depends on the pair. Some pairs drop right away at 5. But AJ and GJ take till about 5:15 to fully settle.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so now we broke the low of that 15. If we go break the high of it, I'm going to take a buy and put my stop under that wick there. And then I'm going to expect that we've made support in this area here. As we broke down and we tapped into here again. And then we made a higher high on a candle. So I'd expect that wick fill and a push up to the top. My plan.
How's it going, Paul?
What up, John? How's it going? How's your day?
It's all right. Long, but good.
Just all right?
Yeah.
Excuse me. What do you do again?
I'm a mechanical engineer in oil and gas.
Oh, I thought you were a male stripper.
Hey there.
That's Ammon, I forgot. My bad.
Don't reveal my secret.
Just kidding.
What if that actually was his secret and now he's like devastated?
You low-key make more than everyone. You're pulling like 5 racks a day in like an hour.
Way.
That'd be cool. Be nifty. Do I chart up on the 4-hour and enter on the 15? No, so pretty much everything I do is on the 15. So I look at the 4-hour. You guys just hear a ring?
No, not here.
No.
Hold on, my groceries are here. I'll be back. Remind me to answer that question when I get back.
Are you seeing dead people too?
Well, no, the guy, he rang the buzzer. Chill out, Bear, I swear. Make me come over there.
What's it ringing the doorbell?
Let my dreams die young, 'cause I misread the signs.
That was actually very funny, Bear.
You know, I just gotta make sure he's still, he's still grounded.
Signs I'm not so young. I'm not so young. He was a mountain boy. There he walked the line.
This daily has yet to make a bottom wick.
Really? That could
Yeah,
be.
it just started. Yeah, that just started forming. So, like even 79,400. Eventually, I'm not saying like at the moment, but that's the kind of area that I would target for that bottom wick for price to continue back up.
So would you say that right now there's not enough selling pressure to drive a bottom wick right now, that we have a lot of bulls in the market?
I think right now, just looking at the 30-minute and the 15-minute, the way it is, we're probably just going to consolidate a little bit more into like mid-Asian session. And that's when we tend to see volume anyways. So if anything, this is probably just going to push those 10-15 pips. But I don't have enough confirmation looking at all these different time frames and the way that price is setting up. I don't have enough confirmations for like anything more than 10-15 pips.
Gotcha.
Yeah, even if this current candle breaks the high of, let's say, the previous 30,
That's where I'm
I
trying
think
to.
the most is 12.
That's where I'm trying to get in, but my magic keys aren't working. Oh, there we go.
Did you get hacked? No, I'm just kidding.
It was just super far away. Did I get hacked?
I'm saying like even here, like if it breaks that and continues, max I would see is probably up here. But it is like pretty overextended on the weekly time frame as well, so maybe midweek we'll get a retracement.
Alright, I gotta put these groceries away.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
The song goes.
I'm so high right now. The smell of success got me
I just looked at EJ, GJ, Euro GBP, and EU. Nothing looks good. Like there's no setup for any of these.
Oh, it is just so bad. Really bad.
Mhm.
For me, I'm still hoping for GU to go up.
GU.
Yep. I'm doing kind of like a breakout trade for GU. And so it created like a descending triangle, a broke the triangle, and then that's when I entered. And then I'm hoping it to keep rising for a little bit.
Man, just that lockdown move for GBP. Where's your target for this?
I feel like it might test like 1.36922, like somewhere up there,
Mhm.
and then like or like dip again.
Yeah, I think 1.37 flat is also a good target. So
Yep.
with
That's like a daily.
break of, yeah, and then if price breaks like the previous daily high and then you go all the way up, that's about like 62 pips.
Oh, yep. Wait, do you think it will like keep going up?
I think it can continue up, but again, that 1.37 area is another major resistance level here.
Yeah, I feel like it might test that area, and then maybe like retrace a little bit, and then that will kind of tell us. That will kind of tell us if like it'll go back up, if or not. So I'll probably place my TP here, and then if it happens to like build support and support looks nice, yeah, I might re-enter.
Yeah.
But I think for now I might put it there.
I think retesting 1.37 and then even retracing back to 1.34 400. That's pretty possible too.
Yep. Seems like a good week to stay out. It was pretty good on Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday market and even Monday London session is because like the market's trying to price in like everything that's happened in the past week or two.
Yep. So you kind of try to like restabilize it. Yeah, and then I guess it was just like, or for EU it was just like crap.
Yeah.
Like it moved in the direction that I planned it to, but the way it moved there was just like super bad.
It's like an entire choppy move up for EU on the 4 hour.
Yep, it was terrible. Like my entry was like all the way back at the bottom there at like 1.22525. Because like if you look at our it's just like a bunch of long waves. So I'm like, yeah, it's probably not gonna go down. So after seeing like 5 long waves, I put my entry, and then I got like I didn't think price was gonna come back down and hit like that area that it did, but it did twice, and I'm like, oh man.
Oh, it took you out?
Yep. Because because I was because after the first support that was made, I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll move my my stop loss a little bit, just kind of like trail it, and then like the long wave just came down. And, oh man, killed it.
Yeah. That was a nice move to be a part of, though.
Yeah.
And a very nice entry, too.
Yep. I feel pretty confident that price wasn't going to reverse there. Because usually when I see a lot of long wicks like that, I'm like, yeah, there's no way price is just going to dip down past that.
That's like the Ironman strategy. Oh man, are you looking at EU right now?
Well, what has happened?
Oh, there it
Holy
goes, man.
cow. Whoa, that's crazy. What's going on? What kind of news is happening right now?
That
See,
was
like,
just a 26 pip move right there.
yeah. what just happened? See, like,
Find out.
like before.
You fuck.
Yeah, like before, like I had my
Oh, I knew it.
I had my TP. I had my TP set for like 1.33800.
Fuck. Oh, I took too
Oh,
long.
did you miss the?
I was gonna get it at the break of this high, and I was like, it won't move. I can put my groceries away real quick. Bloody.
Well, good thing GU's moving, so I made that trade already. But oh, what just happened to EU here?
Oh, I'm salty as a.
It's okay, Paul. Just pray that it comes back a little bit as it is right now, and take the entry.
Yeah, what pushed
There you
it
go.
up that high?
I feel like I should just wait for the close though.
I don't know what triggered it, but GU jumped up as well, and so did GJ.
Yep, I'm in my my trade with GU already. But like see, I wasn't thinking I wasn't into for EU too, but like that shape was just like super ugly, so I didn't want to risk it. Oh wow. If it closes above this like resistance, I'm pretty sure it'll keep going up for a little bit.
Yeah, if this thing closes bullish, I'm gonna take it.
Man,
Because,
EU
like-
had no mercy.
Yeah, because EU has been struggling to get past this like line of resistance right here, and it just like pushed through it just now.
Yeah, that was a 30 pip push right there
On GU.
on the 15-minute on E EU.
Oh.
Like that's so crazy.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's,
yeah.
there's a monthly move for EU. It'll move again next month.
That's all, folks. The show is over.
Yeah, what they said? What 30 for EU? That's like a whole day for EU. That's like a weekly candle.
Yeah, right. Yeah, because EU likes to move in like 30 pips daily usually.
Yeah. That's wild.
That's so crazy. See, I was hoping for like this type of movements yesterday. Didn't happen.
AJ is gonna go up.
That's the reason why I feel like these major pairs like GU and EU, I like them for swing trading. I don't like them for scalping. They take forever.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I try to swing trade. Usually, like my like risk reward is like at least 1 or 3, and if I go higher, then I do. Like if there's like good traffic to the left, then usually I pick a higher reward. But I try to go at least like 1 or 3. See, like for this EU trade, or yeah, for EU, I was gonna swing it from yesterday, but that worked out, and it felt like re-entering after it working out twice actually.
I think mid-month when like everything calms down and it's not so like jittery from everything in the past 2 weeks. I think
Yeah,
that's
it's
a
like
good time to
volatile.
get in. Yeah.
Yep.
Because
Well,
for EU, we're coming up to those monthly resistance levels of 1.24200.
Yep.
That was fun while it lasted.
For real,
Did it come back?
it seems to. But if it closes above, or if it closes at least above like half the wick or half the candle, I'm pretty sure it'll go back up. But at least my theory or my original trade was right.
Yeah, I threw a 0.5% in once it pulled back to here. And then once this closes, I'll put the rest of the position in. But just in case it decides to do some wild stuff, I got a little something in there, and if it does just turn around and stop me out, it was so small, it'll be okay. But yeah, on what I was charting up, I'm pretty much just using the 15-minute for everything, and I'll use the kind of the 4-hour and the 1-hour to just kind of see which way we're trending. Oh wow! Good thing I only put 0.5% on. Jeez.
You already entered?
Yeah, I put 0.5% in when it pulled back. Yeah.
Jeez, what's happening now?
Because the entry confirmation I was looking for, it gave me, so I just put something in, but yeah. Yeah, I'll just see which way we're trending on like the 1-hour, the 4-hour, and then jump on the 15-minute and try to get it going in that direction. Wow.
Maybe we're going bearish tonight?
I don't know.
See, there's a lot of uncertainty around this Senate thing too.
Yeah.
Did I stop drawing support and resistance? I mean,
Man, it's really volatile right now.
yeah, it's very volatile.
I mean, if you really want it.
Pretty much right here is what I'm looking at for support
to
go
was
up.
holding pretty low though.
To go up to here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Just need a bullish close, and then I'm going to enter the rest of the position.
Bullish close, and then I would say like the next candle just makes a bottom wick and then pushes back up with the same entry level. So just a bottom wick to kind of just reject this area, this box that you made.
Yep.
And then push back up.
I'm going to just get in right on the close. I missed my trade this morning on GJ from the top, and it didn't make a wick, and it just went 60 pips. And I just watched it. Like, yeah, okay. Fair enough, GJ.
Wait, DJ or AJ?
GJ this morning in London. Yeah, I was looking at sells right here after this guy, and I was like, I'm gonna get a top wick. I'm gonna let a top wick come up. And it opened and it literally just went, and I was like, wait, don't. I was like, don't even, GJ, like, come
but
on.
Also look at the fact that it's been consolidating for so long in the past.
Yeah.
Right, so it's been consolidating for very long, and the experience that I've had with EJ and GJ both is when it consolidates for that long, there's gonna be a lot of volume coming in. So that's more of like an impulse entry opportunity.
Yeah. I like to take those trades too, because like if you like you can see as like there's like a lot of pressure being built up, and then once it breaks that like that box or whatever, then you can expect like a big move to come out.
Yeah, that's the same exact thing with EU too. The way that it's consolidating on like those daily time frames. Was it EU that we were just talking about?
Yep.
And also EJ too.
Yep.
The way these pairs are consolidating, once they break, I think it was EJ. Yeah, EJ. The way that EJ is consolidating on the daily time frame, once these levels break and like the right fundamentals come in to support these moves, this thing's just gonna explode. It's one way or the other.
Yep.
Come on, make a bottom wick, you fuck. 2 times in a row, man. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Gotta stay low on the caffeine, man. Joking.
Every time I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna wait for bottom wick. It's not gonna happen. It'll bottom wick damn near to my stop loss, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for one, and it's just like, yeah, nah. Buddy, little. I think it'll make one. It'll come back. It's Asian session. It'll come back, and then it'll bounce back up.
You're already in it with the 0.5% though, right?
Yeah, I'm just adding the rest of the position in now that I got my better confirmation. I'll add the rest in.
Oh, EU is moving pretty nice now. That's all that wick. Keep pushing up probably.
Yeah, I'm up 2 pips on it, but I'd like to get the rest of this position in if it would give me a freaking entry.
I'm up like 2 pips from EU.
So I'd like to hit proper risk to reward. There we go. Perfect. What? Excuse me, where's my trade? Excuse me. What the? Oh, I pressed open calc, not open trade. Okay, we're good. There we go. Woof. I was like, what? Oh, yeah, so now let's see if we can move up. Do you think if I started yelling at the chart and screaming that the stream would get more popular and it could be like, that would be like a thing?
We could.
You think that would work? People would come here to like watch the reaction?
No, YouTube would just simply censor you.
Yeah, but yeah, Paul's that crazy trader that's on like YouTube, man.
That would be pretty funny, I feel like.
For real. Like, yeah, like usually most traders are calm and they're like chilling. Paul's like that screaming trader.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It'd be like a niche.
Yeah, a niche. And you're like the only one in it.
Yeah.
You'd probably end up on Trading Memes page, Paul.
Right?
Yeah. Alright, so I need about 15 pips total.
I think GU should be pushing up.
I'd expect AJ to keep moving up throughout the session.
Yeah, because GU has had like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far it has 8 straight like bullish candles. That should tell it to keep pushing up.
Oh, I just saw that.
What up, Uzi? Looking good? Yeah, I've been dieting for like 3 days, bro. We can hit 17 pips. That would be lit. I pretty much got the exact same entry. I got 726 and 725. That's wild. I actually haven't played in over a week now. I've been trying to do more productive adult things. You know? We
I
passed.
just want to interject real quick.
Yeah.
Real quick. Don't do it. I went online Saturday because I only play Saturdays typically, and I went online. It is so toxic.
What do you mean?
You're talking about Call of Duty?
Yeah, Warzone.
Yeah, don't do it.
Why?
It's nothing but DMRs and Mac 10s.
Yep.
And for the ones who don't know how to use that, it's just a bunch of PC players. Well, you're on a PC player, but
Yeah.
a bunch of hackers. It's so toxic.
Oh yeah, it's been like that since the beginning. It used to be Kilo MP5.
Yeah.
At least we got something different now.
Well, the DMR, it's like 2 shots at any range, and you're down.
Yep.
And it's semi-auto.
It's getting nerfed in the next couple days. They tweeted it. Yeah, I was watching Huskers before the stream while I was eating, and apparently Call of Duty or whatever tweeted that.
So bad. It's so bad. I actually uninstalled it. Like, I'm over it.
Yeah, everyone's always there's always hackers in every lobby, and
Yeah.
if I'm gonna play, I'm gonna put 8 to 10 hours in a day and get really good. Otherwise, I'm not gonna enjoy it, and I don't want to put 8 to 10 hours a day on it. So, probably just rarely play.
Like, I'm looking at it, like, for now on, like, with all this cross-play stuff, if I'm not playing on PC, like, I'm just gonna end up, I probably wouldn't, but I would consider a PlayStation, just so you don't have to play with PC players, because y'all are savage.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, it's not even...
We bad
even right.
bitches.
I'm sure if you've killed me in the past, bro, you probably, I gave you the whole thing, bro, the whole clip, screaming in that death chat.
Sounds good, Uzi. Yep, the beginner and the intermediate advanced are up now, and the experts will be out in probably 3 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna wait on that one a little bit. What up, Edwin? You're only gonna see AJ from me, but we do check out other pairs. So if you send your charts, we can pull them up, stuff like that. But the only trades I'll be taking will be on AJ. I actually only need 7 pips. I need 15 total pips for both positions. We were almost there, kinda. Yeah, so as long as this thing doesn't rocket down for whatever freaking reason. Target. Where am I in at? 2726. So yeah, TP will be right up about here, right in here. About 7-8 pips total. Like I said, I'm expecting AJ to continue bullish now through the session into London. At least go tap that 79,850 again, or tap up here again. 823, 79,800, right around there. Kind of what I'm expecting. Yep, got a new website. Rearranged the office a little bit. Doing a little bit of a little bit. What up, KV8? How's it going? Hopefully everything's good over there, Chris. Oh, come on, baby. Let's pump it. Yeah, I feel like getting real energetic for no reason would be like a huge catch. You know?
It'd be funny for sure though.
Like, let's go! We went up a pip! I feel like that would be entertaining, you know?
It would.
It'd either be entertaining or really annoying. Like, we could move up like 0.1 of a pip and I'll just like flip over my chair. And then I feel like people will be like, oh, okay. Because I know that's what some streamers for gaming do. They just like their thing is they rage really, really hard. And they break stuff.
Yeah, they're like extra reactive to a lot
Yeah.
of things.
Yeah. I don't think I want to do that, but I think it would be funny.
Yep. like for some of them, it's like natural. That's just their like personality. And
That's
they
just
kind
what
of
they
like.
are, yeah.
But for some they force it, and it's kind of like you can notice it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is the first 15 of a new hour? Oh, okay. That is good to know. If we break the high of that previous hourly, I think we'll be... Yeah, it'll be this wick here. If we get above here, I think we'll be tapping that then. That'll be kind of like further confirmation we should continue up. But... I'd expect if we don't just push up, I'd expect just another support, and then another little push up, and then pull back, another support, another push up. The AJ normally starts pumping in the next like 45 minutes is when it starts to kind of put its feet on the ground, you could say. Good to hear, Chris. I see you're in here. Welcome. This thing's real volatile. Does anyone else feel like it's fidgeting back and forth way quicker than it normally would?
Yep. I'm like looking at EU, and GU, and it's going from like green to red, high numbers, low numbers. I'm like, what's going on right now? Like, it's not stable. There's no direction yet.
I feel like AJ has picked its direction. I just feel it's just doing its thing. The first 15 of the new hour, so could get a bearish close, and then next one makes our support and pushes us up if this one doesn't.
If GU like pushes down, I just don't see it doing that.
I'm gonna put my trust in the trend and hopefully she's nice. An example of yelling at FOREX. I did one. I did one. That's enough. I'm gonna lose my voice.
I think AU is gonna have a big move soon.
AU or EU?
AU is just like consolidating up and down, getting stuck. So whoever breaks through is gonna be somewhat a big move, I think.
Hopefully it breaks up.
I agree.
Yeah, I feel like it might break up too because it's making like a small like high low or high high or whatever.
Yeah, at least to go test the high. What up, Rabbi? We can pull that up for you, brother. We got AJ hourly buys. Yeah,
It's a
it
bit
looks that
bullish.
nice on the hourly. Oh wow, yeah, we're still bullish. Okay, I didn't know it looked.
Probably gonna
I didn't
push
know
up
it looked
now.
that good. Oh, if it breaks that high, we are gone, bro. I like it. I like it, Rabbi. Same trade, so obviously I like it. It looks good.
It's starting to break those 4-hour highs too.
Go, baby, go. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a wick fill, and we're gonna push it up. That's what I would anticipate.
Let's go.
What's the BU moving?
Yeah, finally.
Moving up?
Yep.
Nice. Yep, be sure to hit the, I haven't said it in a while, be sure to hit the like button, guys. Much appreciated. Subscribe button too, if you're not already. I'm sorry, excuse me. What are you doing?
What just happened? Yeah, it's like super volatile.
Oh my gosh.
Like it just dipped. Like all the movement, it just created up.
Wow. Bottom wick, reject, and push up. Let's go. Excuse me. Is it past 7:30 yet? No, not yet. We got 12 more minutes. Whoa. Excuse you.
What's going on? Everything's in the red.
Just need that bullish close again, and I think we'll start moving back up. Be back in a sec.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head out for today, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right. See you, Sean.
See ya.
Have a good one, Scotty.
You too. Thank you.
JPY have some news? UJ just really shot up. Do any of y'all know?
So what?
Did JPY have any news?
I don't think so. Or just now?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Let me check. Nope, nothing recent really.
Okay.
But I see
I
it
was-
trying to break through.
Yeah, I was just curious because this current 15 just went up real quick.
Yep.
Yeah, I saw that on the 30 as well, John. All of a sudden it just spiked right up, and I don't know what it's doing, man.
Hmm. I know it's like kind of the area it was before. It's at a really, really big low point. So maybe reversing the trend.
Hopefully.
Let's hope, because I am so tired of it being down there ranging.
Yeah.
Right.
Am I leaving a runner? No. I'll just be securing everything at I think 8 to 10 pips around there.
Oh man.
So yeah, my target is about 79 800 area. We can get there. We got that Chinese news too, don't we?
Yeah.
Whoa. 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 I'm gonna start getting excited for no reason. just to get
Why is
people's
that?
reaction.
Damn, what's going on? You in green, blue?
Well, when you guys were freaking out about GU pumping, I was like walking
yeah.
by and I just heard you and Sharma like, whoa,
Yeah.
oh my god. And I was like, I swear, if this thing pumped without me.
Yeah, that was a crazy push. I was like, holy cow, EU just push like like big pips.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. Break this wick and we're gone. Break this wick, we gone, girl. Let's go.
Yeah, my parents are still trying to push through.
Yeah, I think we're gonna. I believe we're gonna see a tap up here, and then from there we either continue, or maybe we range or start to try to come down. But yeah, now this broke the high there, so I'd expect this to keep moving up. It was up a total of 3 pips on each position, so we were about halfway. Maybe we'll just keep the stream on till we see what this thing does. I mean, if we could hit 7 or 10 pips on both positions, that would be Oh, I might have did my math wrong.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart.
I think I need 13 pips total on each position.
With every start, we are born again. Open your heart. Spend less time in your head.
This thing is wild, man.
Yeah.
Just like a seed in a garden.
UJ got some action.
That went up quick.
Yeah. That's not that's like bad for me if you goes up.
Are you in UJ, John?
Yeah, well, oh no, I'm not in it. I'm watching it, but I saw like the current 15. It just,
Oh, could be going bullish.
yeah.
I hope it doesn't.
We hope it doesn't. Yeah. You want the dollar to weaken?
Yep.
If there's a retrace around 9, I might.
Yeah, you're in GU buys, huh?
Do what?
I was saying hers in GU buys, so the dollar strengthening would be not
Be
good.
bad.
Did Sharma leave? Oh, yeah, she was saying, I don't know if you're here. I don't think you were here, John. Just careful with the, even Jamie too, he's saying be careful with the USD pairs tonight. Apparently there's a lot of stuff going on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
All right, brothers, I'm getting ready to leave you. Got to go plant the corn or pick the blueberries, whichever one you see fit.
All right, man.
But, yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.
All right,
Have a
and
good
yeah, John,
evening.
careful with those USD pairs because right now they say 40% of the election results are in Georgia, and it's leaning Democrat. So if that's the case, the market is gonna react negatively to it. So just keep an eye out for that.
10-4. Thank you.
Yeah, hopefully market looks like negative, so the pound will go up.
That'd be good for you.
Yeah, I feel like GU might just consolidate around here for a little bit until the results comes in.
I feel like AJ shouldn't be. It should just do its thing.
Right.
And this candle just broke everything.
Yeah.
Jamie does a quick gamble before he leaves.
Yeah, it's pushing up pretty nice.
Yeah.
Like heavily.
Mm-hmm.
It just moved like 10 pips.
Welcome, boys.
Yep.
How did Mr. Bear get all the way up to like 30,000 points?
I don't know. He's a good gambler, I guess.
Yeah, he's really good. He's better than I am, I'll tell you that. Are we supposed to post links in here or not?
We can.
It was just the currency meter.
Yep.
Show everybody what everything. I'm sure that some people see it. But...
Yep, I saw it.
And the pound is crashing. This morning it was next to nothing. Like Bear said, tomorrow, USD, don't place any trades on it because you don't know where it's going to go. For sure.
Moving my stop up to the new support that was created. So stop was here. Now it's here. So if we're staying bullish, I'm expecting this low to get respected and we move up. See if we can get that push up now that we got that bullish close.
Hey, Mr. Paul, we didn't get that big push in Asian Open, did we?
We got this candle here.
Yeah, that's not much.
No, it hasn't done much yet. It's been real sporadic.
Yeah, they're also Asia is also on big lockdown too. Nothing in and out of Japan. Japan is totally locked down. China's locked down. Philippines are locked down.
So
a lot of stuff going on. That's going to affect the market as well.
So that should make the yen pretty weak. But they had strong, good data the other day, so.
Correct. I seen last night after the stream that we had a big push about 9:15.
Yeah.
A huge push on the upside.
AJ took off.
That, did you? Yeah, it did. It was after the stream.
Yeah, I'm expecting we maintain this bullish structure and we do that again.
And it looks like it's set up for it right now.
Yep. Kind of what I'm looking at is these higher lows are making, so I'm kind of expecting one of these pushes is gonna actually give us a push. If not, then we're minimized by about 50% right here. So.
Well, I totally agree, but I still think you're going to have that huge push at the top side, the upside.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. My internet is in and out, so I could barely hear you. I'm sorry.
Gotcha.
Talking to you from another continent, so it's kind of hard sometimes.
No worries.
I have to educate some of these guys how to put, what do they call them? Lightning arresters on substations and for high voltage or whatnot. They just don't have them down here. So. But anyway, how'd everything go all day since I've been offline?
I mean,
I didn't catch up. Looked like AJ climbed early this morning toward noon hour, right?
Yeah, she was climbing this afternoon. I'm expecting another climb, which we're just super, super bullish, so. Yeah, GJ is, I think, kind of coming up from that push down it had a little bit this morning.
It did it to GJ this morning. I thought it did a complete turnaround. It was on the way down and just turned around, went the opposite direction. Something pushed it the opposite direction.
Yeah, it turned.
GJ?
It turned.
Yeah. You got two EMAs on there. It shows a change too. Look at that.
Hey, what?
You have two EMAs on your chart. It shows exact when you go down a little bit further, go down, and it shows exactly where it
flipped.
Yep. Spot. Yep. Exactly. Those EMAs work pretty good.
I'm liking them so far.
So we have Sharma on the stream tonight?
Yeah, she got off already.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't have enough terabytes to even get online to even talk to anybody, so I just could only text. Couldn't get on. I couldn't see too much. Try to help out a little bit here or there and whatnot.
Sucks when the internet kind of scraps itself.
Yeah.
Come on, AJ. Being a effing twat.
Yeah, it's got to print that down candle before it can go up.
I just got worked out.
Chinese news is coming out soon. That might wick me out. 7:45. Man, come on now. It trends so well when I'm not at my desk.
What's this CN1 at 8:45? Well, Eastern Standard Time, but
Chinese.
This is the one you're talking about?
7:45. Yep.
You know,
7 minutes. Yeah, if this I already minimized here. I'm still in. If it does pull back and gets me into profit a little bit, I'll probably exit because it's just dicking around. I don't like it. But if it hits stop, it's already minimized by 50%. But hoping it can do a little pullback and I can sneak out real quick. Oh, I guess not. Thanks, AJ.
retest.
Great.
Boom.
That's it. That's the stream. We went 7 minutes over. Beautiful. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Stream's down.